Are you also a business owner who use WhatsApp for the marketing of their business? Then this tutorial is definitely for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to send WhatsApp marketing messages to all my customers in just one click rather than selecting one-on-one contact as per my requirement. So on my screen, you can see a WhatsApp message that I'm going to send to all my customers about my skincare brand. So now here in this Google Sheet, you can see the existing customers data that I have, and I'm going to send this WhatsApp message to all these customers whose data I have in this Google Sheet. But again, manually sending WhatsApp message is very time consuming task. So I have got up an amazing WhatsApp broadcast solution that helps me to send the bulk WhatsApp messages like a pro within seconds and in just few clicks. I'm going to set up this WhatsApp broadcast using all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform that is Pabbly Chatflow. And now here in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this WhatsApp broadcast for your business too. So to begin with the process, you need to start searching for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see some options. First is sign up for free. If you're a new user, click on sign up for free and try Pabbly Chatflow for free today. If you want a demo, select this demo option, or else if you're an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here if you're a new user and you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I've got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. You just need to type ROMYT in the coupon section and you are going to get an exclusive discount. For your reference, I've also attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. Okay, so now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on the Access Now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see I've already connected my WhatsApp number inside my Chatflow account. So to learn how to connect yours, you can watch out the tutorial available on our YouTube channel or in the description box below. Not only this, let me tell you that it offers some amazing features that are available over here in the left side bar. So here if you wish to learn about any of the feature in detail, then you can watch out the tutorials available on our YouTube channel or in the description box below. Okay, so as you know that in this video, we are going to learn how you can set up this WhatsApp broadcast for your business. So we are going to access a feature of Pabbly Chatflow that is broadcast. But before moving towards that, let me tell you that I have created this message template inside my Pabbly Chatflow account, and I'm going to send the bulk WhatsApp messages using this template message. If you want to send a regular type of message, then you can send that too. But to learn about that process, you need to stay with me till the end of this tutorial. Okay, so firstly, let me take you towards the template section, and under templates, you can see the number of approved, pending, draft and rejected templates. So I have this template with the name Find Your Skincare. So this is the particular message that I have created, and here you can see my template is approved by Meta. That means I can use this template to send the bulk WhatsApp messages. So now here if you want to learn about this template creation process in detail, then you can watch out the tutorial available on our YouTube channel for the same. For now, I'm going to use this template, and once you have this template, move towards the broadcast section. Under broadcast, you can see the total number of broadcasts, number of live sent and scheduled broadcasts. We are going to click on this add broadcast button, and it has directed us to the WhatsApp broadcast window. Firstly, select the type as broadcast campaign. For the name, I'm going to give the name as new skincare test. Moving forward, then comes the contact list. Here you need to select the contact list to whom you want to send this WhatsApp message. And as I've already mentioned, that I'm going to send the WhatsApp message to all these contacts whose data I have in this Google Sheet. So now in order to send the WhatsApp message to these contacts, I need to add them inside my Chatflow account first. For that, we are going to access this contact section. Under contacts in the left side, you can see the existing contact list that I have, and to create a new one, click on this add contact button. If you want to add single contact, add these details, and to add in bulk, select this option. Here you need to upload a CSV file for your data, and as you know that I have data in Google Sheets. That means I need to download this data in a CSV file first. Once you have a CSV file, upload the same over here, click on this add contact button, and bulk contacts will be added inside your Chatflow account. Once you have contacts, you can create a separate contact list for the same. For now, I'm going to use an existing list that I have with the name new list. You can select multiple lists as well. Then comes the refine audience option. So basically using this, you can exclude the contacts to whom you don't want to send this broadcast. You can exclude the contact list, or you can exclude some specific contacts from the list that you have selected over here. Also, you can exclude some contacts with whom you are having an active 24-hour conversation window. Then comes the message type. You can see two options. First is pre-approved template message and the another one is regular message. So as I've already told you that I'm going to use a pre-approved template message, but if you want to send a regular message, select this option. Select the message type from the drop down. If you're going to add the text over here, you can have a preview for the same in the right side. For now, I'm going to use a pre-approved template message. So let me select my. So this is the template, and here we are going to click on this done. You can also add some variables to make your text particularly dynamic. For now, I've used the basic one. Then it is asking me to test my broadcast. So before sending it to the wider audience, I can send it on my WhatsApp number to test my broadcast message. So I'm going to add my username and my own number. Then we're going to click on the send test message, and it says test broadcast sent. So let's go and check our WhatsApp. You can see instantly the same message template has been received on my WhatsApp number. So with this, we have successfully tested our broadcast message. Then here it is asking us to schedule our broadcast. If you want to send instant message, select no, and to schedule it for the latest, select yes. Then you need to select a particular date and time. While selecting the date and time, make sure you're selecting a future date and time. If you have selected past date and time, that is going to send instant message to all your contacts. Then click on this add broadcast button, and you can see a new broadcast has been scheduled over here. Once the broadcast is sent, you can view the stats for the same, where you have data of sent, delivered, read, pending, ignored, and failed. Also, you can resend your broadcast message to all your valid failed contacts by selecting this resend option. Alright, so these were the very simple steps of how you can set up unlimited broadcast messages like a pro without wasting time. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do use my special discount code, which is ROMYT. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots with Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.